Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Studio Race with Boys and Their Toys. As you can see, guys, I have the WEN 6-inch 10 amp corded benchtop joiner. It comes with a filter bag. All right, I picked this up at Home Depot. It was listed for about over $300. All right, this is the model number 6560T. I'm doing some custom moldings in my house around my windows, and I picked this up again, giving me a reason to buy a toy, and so I picked this up. So this is pretty much just gonna be an unboxing, show you what's in the box, what it took for me to put it together, and show you the overall product. So enjoy the video.
Alright guys, I just want to show you this. They give you pretty much all the Allen keys and everything that you need to assemble this. Alright, so I just want to document to see the parts you're getting. Alright, you got all assorted parts here. Alright, that's correct. The push handles, all the screws. Um, Over here, you have your fence over here and all the parts. This thing is made very well. I mean, it's all steel, iron, I guess I should say. Very heavy, but not too heavy that you can't move it around. So again, just want to give you guys a quick look on the accessories you get. All right, so right now, again, I'm doing this time lapse. Just going to show you how to put this together. All right, so the first thing have to attach is right here to these two screws right here, and you have the Allen wrench they gave you to take this off. I have to put this piece on to here. So I just want to pause that to show you guys what I'm doing right now. It's called attach the fence support assembly. That's what it's called. So that's the fence support assembly that I'm going to be starting to start off. That goes right here. So I hope you guys can see that. Alright guys, I just want to point out something. Before you attach this part to here, make sure you put this on first. I made the mistake of putting this on first and not putting this. And I have to take it off to screw that on. That goes on this little area right here. It goes through here, this hole. Alright, so that rod has to go in there first before you attach to that. So I just want to bring that to your attention before, from my mistake, learn from my mistakes. Alright, so let me continue on. Alright guys, I was going to give you an idea. Alright, got the fence set up. To get it perfectly 90 degrees and 45 and all that type of angles, you're going to have to manipulate this piece right here. Alright, this piece slides in. It's locked in like a little tab that's over here down the middle. You'll see it when you get it. Alright, and you manipulate it with this also. So a combination of this screw here and this handle here will help you get your fence in the proper position. And as you can see, as I did mine, I got it perfect at 90 degrees. Alright, so that's what you have to do. You got to loosen this up, loosen up this handle here, loosen up this screw here. Once you get this in, back that out, get a little screwdriver. Alright, right here there's a little thing for your screwdriver, and you have to adjust those two in conjunction with each other to get this fence perfectly 90 degrees. Alright, so that's the trick of getting that done. It took me a little while to understand what the heck the direction was saying, but after playing with it, I realized that what I had to do. So I'm going to continue on putting it together. I just want to pause and bring that to your attention. Alright, so let's continue with the time lapse. Alright guys, it's all set up now. I can see. Got the fence on. Here is where you adjust the height. Okay. So there's the blade right there. And to put the little dust deflector down. Being I'm gonna be mostly using this outside, so I won't be hooking up the dust collector. Um, but you can. They give you a bag and everything. Um, so with the rubber feet, if you can see down here on the ends, and that's it. So this is my first joiner. I'm kind of new to this, so I'm gonna be playing with this. I'm sure I'm gonna be making some mistakes along the way, but that's fine. But I wanted a nice portable do-it-self, for the DIY person. So this is all hooked up now. It took me a while to kind of figure it out. They give you all the tools to put it together. All right, pretty much. All you need is probably just a screwdriver. But they give you all the, all the hex wrenches and everything for all the screws here. The push block and everything. So, that's what it is. 6-inch joiner with dust collector. It's well made. It's heavy. Um, you know. So I'm gonna fire it up now. Start doing some boards and take a look and see how it works out. All right. So let me see if I can get that set up. Let you guys see it in operation.
All right, guys. Unfortunately, my time-lapse video and some other video just didn't work out. So I couldn't show you exactly this thing's in operation, but it does work well. Again, I'm new to owning a joiner, so I'm not too familiar on the proper technique. So I'm still learning. So if you can give me some advice, let me know in the comments what you think. If you do have the joiner, how you feel about it. Personally, I like it. All right, it's not that big, so I'm able to move it from inside to outside. It is 80 pounds and kind of heavy, but overall, it's a good joiner, in my opinion. For me, for the do-yourselfer. Okay, this Boys and the Toys. Got a reason to buy it too. I'm gonna do it. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Give me some comments and show some love. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.